Now that I have the Maxima together, I fixed a lot of the minor issues and it's looking a lot nicer. When turbocharging your car, the underhood temperatures can get extremely hot. So originally I wrapped the exhaust to keep those temperatures down, and it also has a performance advantage because it keeps the heat flowing through the pipes to the turbo. However, it does have a downside. Because of the exhaust wrap, it traps moisture, and the moisture against the pipes can cause surface rust. So I'm removing the exhaust wrap to see the condition of the pipes underneath. I definitely don't want to be running a new setup and it has holes in the pipe. So in this video, I'm going to go through, take off the exhaust wrap that's on there, inspect the pipes, and hopefully there's no surprises. I previously had a turbocharged Maxima, and this is the kit that I had on it. The goal is to make this setup somewhat similar to what I had before. So as you can see, the kit did hold up, but there is a lot of surface rust. So I definitely won't be wrapping the kit again. I more than likely will be going with the ceramic coating. I read that it does hold up to wear and tear better than the exhaust wrap. It is a little bit more pricier, but in the long run, I think that it'd be more beneficial.